wonderful people of all ages. Today I'm going to be making slime with my cousin.
Sophia, where is the phone?
I don't know. With our cousin Lizzie and my sister Grace. We are making slime. I already started it a bit.
She is very irresponsible.
This is my cousin's slime that we're going to make, but we're going to shake it up for a bit, and I'll tell you how that goes. What you actually need to do is you just need to shake it up until it's all in. It looks like that is all in, and then we need to wait for a bit. Like, I think it's 10 minutes. But, and we'll come back when that is done. We saw a baby bird a couple of minutes ago. No, like 30 minutes ago.
Are you recording that?
Yes, I am. Huh.
Okay, then. I've been waiting a while, so just don't stop recording.
Oh.
Yeet! Creeper attack! No!
Creeper!
No! No! Ah!
No! I'm not sure.
My cousin's is fighting.
We're crazy. Ow.
Yeet!
Mommy, die!
No! Don't fill it! No!
They sitting on it and doing crazy things, but yeah. You don't know what might happen to my toe.
So she dropped some sauce on it. Literally.
Yeah. And you want to see? You can.
Don't show that. But, it's been like 5 minutes.
Hello!
Look at the color.
Oh yeah.
Look at the killer. Look at the killer.
And look at my creeper.
Creeper, die.
Ha-ha!
Got it.
Lizzie, can I have my creeper?
Mm-mm.
Give me my creeper.
Just give it to her. Well, we're just gonna do random things.
Of course.
Do you want to see what we're doing?
Lizzie,
Okay.
of course you're going to obey the leader of this channel because she good. Cole, get over here. Don't you want to be in a YouTube video? Cole? Cole!
Cole is a camera shy. But he's violent.
Yeah.
But we're not going to say what he says because that would be demonetized.
Yeah. You do.
And we do not want to be demonetized.
Don't let me drag you over here. I don't have to.
Grace, don't. That's violent. And then we get demonetized.
I'm just going to drag him over here.
Okay. Demonetized. No, okay.
On his neck.
That's gonna be demonetized.
Oh, Lizzie, can I quickly speak to you off camera?
Now it's back to me. So there's like 6 more minutes left for this. No, not 6. Not 6. I'm just gonna count now. I'll be back when 4 minutes have passed. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 60, 64, 65, 66, 67. No. Okay. 1 minute has passed. Okay. So 3 more minutes for this. See you then. It has been, I think, around 10 minutes, but it's still really liquidy. Do you want to add? Oh, no, I don't think that will work. I don't think it'll fix it though. We can still make you a slime, Lizzie.
What
We can still make you a slime. We can still make you a slime. We can still make you a slime. This is what goes around. This is what goes on when there's quarantine going on.
Yes, you may mention quarantine. I checked. It doesn't get you demonetized.
Are you sure about that?
You get over here.
I am. Wait, call on the video. Call on the video.
Hello.
Yay! Finally, he got in. Look, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
That's my
slime? This is crappy slime.
Oh.
We're saying if it works. No, it's dead to me.
Oh, great.
Well,
maybe just use this. It's
okay. Here.
crappy then.
Let's see if this can fix it, and then Lizzie can get this one.
Since they're similar in color. Wanna play with my creeper? Creeper!
Oh me. When we go.
Wait, didn't you say that will copyright us? Hey, didn't you say that you wanted to get gunpowder? Yeet him across the wall.
Okay, we added more powder to see if it works.
Yay.
But now I need to shake it. Hopefully this works. See, it's even more pigmented now.
I don't like it orange.
Now what are you gonna do? Then you can just add this and it will go back to the color. But we need to. You can add these too.
Okay.
Let me let it. Oh my god! Look
What
at the
happened
murder
to the
scene.
bottle?
Okay. Look at this.
It looks dumb though.
It is working. Look at this. Look at that.
Sophia, this is why I feel like I should be the one running the channel.
Okay. We're just
But of
gonna
course,
wait.
you're the leader of the channel because you.
We're just gonna wait a bit more
channel.
again. Got it. It's going there. I think it just needs like 2 or 3 more minutes, but it's actually really good so far. It's just really sticky. Oh, do you want to add shaving cream to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really, Matt? I'm not sure this will work.
Meme.
Yeah.
My name is Meme.
Okay.
Sorry,
I forgot what your name was, so I just called you Matt.
Shaving cream. Where's your shaving cream?
No!
What do you want to add into it?
Matt, are you sure about this?
Yeah. How about we separate it up in 2 pieces?
Meme, why did you decide on your nickname Big Meme?
Because I like it, and it reminds me of Mimi.
Meme?
Why can't I just call you Potato?
Yeah, wait, your name's Mr. P from Piggy. Got him!
Should I trace him or can you?
Can you please trace him?
Okay.
Okay, I think the slime is ready. We just need to take the chunks out because it's chunky.
Chunky chunk.
Look, but it actually looks pretty good. Looks like a pretty good slime.
Yeah, I need to get these two, okay?
Okay.
Unicorn magic. Unicorn software.
Sophia,
Mm-hmm.
what if I just called you the Met Potato?
Sure.
Mashed potato.
That would have been a great name for your channel, the Met Potato.
The Met potatoes.
Okay, so you're a Met Potato, I'm Potato.
Yeah. But just call me Meme.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Do you ever wish you could fly, Lizzie?
Yes.
Of course. And everybody wishes they had that superpower. And yet nobody wishes for wings. A fire.
Everyone hates Wings of Fire then.
Wings of Fire is a very exquisite book.
I landed it.
Good job.
Yeah, you did.
Leave a like if you think Wings of Fire is a good book. Even if your friends just annoy you about it, but like you still think it might be a good book.
And subscribe if you think Grace looks like a potato.
Oh! Okay, so that's how you want to subscribe it! Okay! I'm gonna take it out!
Okay. It looks pretty good so far.
Leave a like if you enjoy me running around with Cole.
Subscribe if you think I am a good YouTuber. Yeah.
Just like this video, if you think Grace is not good at Roblox or Minecraft.
Oh!
You haven't seen me play! I have, Grace.
Lizzie, can you not yeet my creeper at me?
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Can I feel it?
Yes. It's just sticky at first.
Take it.
It feels like boogers.
Grace! Grace! I don't feel.
Let me get it all together first.
It feels so weird.
I love it.
It feels like a lot.
This is Mother's Day, Cole.
Oh, I forgot.
Hey Lucy, did you already know that we had a video for today, but we decided to film this video on Mother's Day because, like, why not?
Okay, I'm gonna come back when I got all the slime. I'm back again, but the slime failed. I need to throw this bottle out and this. But yeah, that's for today's video. Everything became crappy, like it usually does. I just need to add the things in to it, and then
We're done.
I'm gonna be done.
And we turned out just fine.
Anyways, I'm gonna go make the video and talk about mine. Crazy.
Can you get me some scissors?
Where are the scissors?
They are in the kitchen, on the second drawer.
Antibiotics all the time. She recommended this stuff that her doctor told her to do for urinary tract health. So look at the mailbox this week. I was in your mommy all the time. We got the rush on. You know, every time you come in, you really have one. So you can just call and yeah. And so when I went off that right there, they're going to be in a card. Oh, that's real kittens. Real kittens. So every now and then, I take supplements. Yeah, it's good. I like those. And they're super light because they're the beads too. So can I tell the story about Matt, like the other level? So Carolyn is only 16 months. It's only 16 months.
I'm back and
so
she is getting the scissors and opening. And Mary Kate said she didn't get two kittens.
She would get in trouble if she want to carry them.
And
You cannot carry them.
I'm gonna stay here while she cuts the scissors. She gets the scissors and cuts it open. And yeah, we're gonna be bored.
I told you not to pick him up.
The top one.
I know.
I'm
That's when you have the first one and you're so cautious with the baby. It's not until you have the second one and the first one's there that you realize how durable they are. Yeah. Oh, you can have them upside down. It's not a problem. I'm not carrying them.
So she's back and this is the final reveal of the slime.
Yeah. Sophia, will you be uploading this today?
I'm gonna show you. So this is the reveal of the slime. I had to add some glitter in it for my cousin because she likes it, but I'm just gonna give it to her, and I hope she likes it.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be the vlog.
Sophia, should I record
Bye.
giving it to her? Hey, Grace's sister, not Grace's, Sophia's sister right here, and I just wanted to ask you for one favor. If you want to see more of this little guy, then hit like and subscribe. Thank you! Even if you don't like him, please like and subscribe. Please. And
the bell button so you don't forget a video.
and also hit the bell so that you don't miss another video. Thanks.